Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing the Born Pretty Poly Extension Gel Nail Kit. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my content. And if you're returning, welcome back. So let's get started. So first we have a little manual or leaflet. So it tells you how to apply, how to remove. So that's handy if you're new or just getting started. It's handy to have a little review even if you've been doing nails for quite a while, because each product may cure in different times, so it's making sure that it's right. Here we have some of the polygel. We've got 6 all in all. We've got a clear, a glitter, a white, and then we have sort of an array of pink colours. There we have a gel base. And then we have a top coat. There's the slip solution. I do have a discount code for Born Pretty, so the link will be in the description and I'll pop the code on the screen now. Little nail file. I probably wouldn't use that personally. Then we have some alcohol pads. There we have a little damping dish. And then we have 2 sets of jewel forms. So this first one is sort of more of a square shape. I don't know how well it's going to pick up on the camera here, but they're a decent size. They feel pretty sturdy. Some jewel forms that I've had previously are a bit flimsy. It's got a fairly nice apex and a C-curve. And then here are the sort of more stiletto-y sort of shaped one. A fair length as well. It's a side profile. Seems like there's a little bit more of an apex on this one. They got the little numbers at the end, so it makes it easy to know what number you're using, and it's super handy to pop off as well. So here's a little clear clip, so that just helps to keep the jewel form in place when you're curing. Here we have a scraper, a spatula, and then the other side we have a brush. This also comes with a mini lamp. So I'm going to pop all those out the way. We'll have a look at the lamp. So we have a lead. Some instructions. And then we have the mini lamp. This one's super handy because you can use it for flash curing, or you can have it open and you can pop them in. It folds away nicely. So I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!